My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the ransomware that is called Conti. Conti is the ransomware that encrypts the files and then adds a special Conti extension to the files after they get encrypted by the ransomware. Of course, then the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file decryption. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications at all. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other data. But this is what happens after the ransomware file is launched. It starts immediately encrypting the information that you store on the hard drive. And pretty soon you will notice that this special extension called ZXQSZ has been added to your files. And the ransomware then tells you to pay the special ransom that you need to pay for file decryption. It says all your files are currently encrypted by Conti strain. In reality, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. We strongly advise that you immediately remove this ransomware to stop its further encryption process. We recommend you to go to the C drive or any other available system drive, select Program Files folder, choose Internet Explorer, and start Internet Explorer browser. If you cannot start any other browser, we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware through the official page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button, install the application, and start checking your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will detect this ransomware, remove it effectively, and will protect your files from being damaged in future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.